Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. War is in the air. Tell them to prepare. Yo, this is my favorite moment. This is my favorite time of doing reaction when time war start. Fuck you, I go on. So, Skeng, all out. Skeng, all out. That is the name of the track. I'm guessing this is aimed at Father. I'm guessing this is aiming at Father Dipper, Valiant. Reason being, I'm gonna show you in a second. But we see the shenanigans are going with Skeng Entourage and Valiant Entourage. I'm not gonna get into that. I'm not gonna go through that again because I'm sure you want to see it too. But what we want to talk about, the thumbnail to the track. Look for the thumbnail to the track. Who say catchy at a lie? Who say catchy at a lie? Look here. See one hat right here, so with a brain underneath it, with a bullet hole in the hat. Seen? Catch the hat a lie. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think TJ them did make a thumbnail similar to this when him and Valiant did a war. So we see one spank shell here, so we see blood here, so and we see a garbage bag here, so with the hat, with the brain under the hat. So look like the person we say catchy hat, which is Valiant, get one to the brain. That's how I see. See? So I'm pretty sure this is aiming at Valiant. I'm pretty sure this is aiming at Valiant.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm not pretty sure. I don't know. I lied. I'm not pretty sure. We're going to jump in the one still and hear what the G has said. Let's go. Furthermore, if the war for start, who for side on the depend? Valley or Father Dip? No, Valley or Skeng? Ratty are the diplomats. What want to say? What want to say in the comment section? Get active down there. I'll be there reading. Let's go.
I understand. Stop round put my charge. Sometime when I run a joke dog, all the things from my brain. Me broke your bum buckle knee with it, brother. Don't feel like a joke. Swing across your head, brother. Don't feel like a joke.
Learn that alone, fam. Learn that alone.
Don't sort your bum buckle like it. I'm gonna talk to you too long in that.
Hold on, that intro there. The owner for the voice, the owner for the intro, link up Skeng. I'm a piece of food for your figure right now. Link up.
I understand. Stop round put my charge. Sometime when I run a joke dog, all the things from my brain. Me broke your bum buckle knee with it, brother. Don't feel like a joke. Swing across your head, brother. Don't feel like a joke.
Learn that alone, fam. Learn that alone.
Don't sort your bum buckle like it. I'm gonna talk to you too long in that.
A shot, yeah. Knocks on blocks, but I for turn on my sight, my ups. None of them bored and a bud like that. Them go drop the ball and make a pick it up back.
Them go drop the ball and make a pick it up back. Them go drop the ball and make a pick it up back. What am I say? Him did at one time, then Valiant forward and at up the place. Then Valiant drop the ball now, so him a pick up at that him I say? Comment section. I'm just trying to dissect. Big word. Leave that too early. Let's go.
On a shot, yeah. Knocks on blocks, but I for turn on my sight, my ups. None of them bored and a bud like that. Them go drop the ball and make a pick it up back. I for shot fly them party. No jam me up chip and that. One burst them face you can't recognize that. Me I go bust them face you think that bunny and that. How the fuck them a talk out? How we am a talk? Yes we go carve out. Them love walk out, drink and pass out. I try this and them no man dark out. Why me go all out?
Hold on.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Don't Valiant and Skeng have a song together? Them have a song together. This look bigger than where we are seeing at the media now. This look bigger than it, you know, cause there's no way in the two of them have a song together, and as one little thing jump off, sang at you, road at you. Wagwan.
I understand. Stop round put my charge.
Wagwan. Something go on at the meet. Something go on behind the scene that we don't know about.
What things from my brain? Me broke your bum buckle knee with it, brother. Don't feel like a joke. Swing across your head, brother. Don't feel like a joke.
Learn that alone, fam. Learn that alone.
Don't sort your bum buckle like it. I'm gonna talk to you too long in that.
On a shot, yeah. Knocks on blocks, but I for turn on my sight, my ups. None of them bored and a bud like that. Them go drop the ball and make a pick it up back. I Rifle shot, fly them bad. GG, no jam me up chip and that. One burst them face, you can't recognize that. Me I go bust them face, you think that bad me and that. How the fuck them a talk out? How we am a talk? Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out, drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out.
Man said that them love walk but drink and flash out. So you must say, yo. Left it. Me not have my t-shirt fit. Left it. Them Valiant. The man a say love walk but. Yeah, the man a say love walk but you're easy to catch. That's what he said. Not me. What my t-shirt there? My t-shirt in the house. Yo.
Them love walk out, drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out. Why me go all out? Fuck them a talk out. How we am a talk? Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out, drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out. Why we go all out? Every million of me, I hurt them first. Better watch the bird, them I out and look on it. Controversy, gunshot, them man. Get toxicated and polluted like that.
Man, I say, yo, you're a nerd. Watch your word, them you're utter little nerd. Them same word they with forward back command you. That's how the G said, not me.
Controversy, gunshot, them man. Get toxicated and polluted like that. Road is drop when up and knock it panda. Easy back, bone to split and relax. Call the shots, really done, that's fuck. So you know about man a kill. How them cut them a talk out? How we am a talk? Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out, drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out. Why me go all out? Fuck them a talk out. How we am a talk? Yes, we go carve out. Them love walk out, drink and pass out. I try this time, them no man dark out. Why we go all out? Two pan a shot, yeah. Knocks and blocks, boy. I for turn on my side, my ups. None of them bored and a bad like that. Them no drop the ball and me go pick it up back. Rifle shot, fly them bad. GG, no jam me up chip and that. One burst them face, you can't recognize that. Me I go bust them face, you think that bad me and that. Alright. Let me just say this. There was no direct diss in that song to say yes. That. Valiant him attack. Even though there was a few, but there was nothing directly say yes, a Valiant him attack. Me never pick up no line in the song and can say, yo, Valley, you get that, you know? See me? However, like I showed you guys earlier on, this thumbnail says it all. The thumbnail with the hat and the bullet fly through the hat in the brain. Yeah, that says it all, bro. That says it all for me. So, what do you guys think in the comment section? What do you guys say? What do you guys think? Is this a direct aim at Valiant? Is it a direct aim at Valiant? Comment section, I need you guys to get active. Is Valiant gonna reply to this? Wanna want the war? If you don't want war, comment war. War. Yeah, war. We love the war in the dog. We love it in the dog. But let me know what you guys think. I ain't picking no sides. I'm just neutral. I'm just doing the reaction in this one. But to me, it wasn't a direct diss as it should have been, like the thumbnail is. The thumbnail is more of a direct than the actual lyrics them where I spit in the song. You understand? Yeah. So I think this is like a warning or something he must send out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And we will get on from there. Let's hope Valiant reply and go direct. If he does, then we know say yo, definitely war is on. We know say Ratty Gang now itch when it come to stepping out, cause we see him try step off a massacre. We see him try step off a squash. Now he must step off a Valiant allegedly. So allegedly, I like that word. People misuse that shit. But anyway,
This one I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one and you want to see more, also let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section, cause your opinion valid when it comes to them thing, especially war them thing. Yeah, let me know. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.